Hey guys, welcome back. So today we'll be changing from scientific notation to a decimal. Remember that if you have a positive exponent here, like my 5, remember that you do need to move your decimal to the right. And if you have a negative exponent, like my -4 here, you need to move your decimal to the left. So for an example, if we have 2.1 times 10 to the fourth power, because I have a positive exponent, I'm going to move my decimal point 4 places to the right. So I have my 2.1 here, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. My decimal point is going to stop right here. So I have my zeros here, and your new answer is going to be 21,000. 3.26 times 10 to the -5th power. Because I have a negative exponent, I am going to move my decimal point 5 places to the left. We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is going to stop right here. And I'm going to fill in these spaces here with zeros. So you have a 0 here, 0 here, 0, and 0. So your final answer is going to be 0.0000326. 1 times 10 to the -2nd power. So because I have a negative exponent, I am going to move my decimal 2 places to the left. So I have my 1 here. And if I move my decimal 2 places to the left, I'm going to have 1, 2. My new decimal is going to be right here, and your 0 will be here. So your final answer is going to be 0.01. And this is your answer here. Now remember, when you have the number 1 is the same as 1.00. So if my decimal is here, I am moving 2 places to the left, which is going to give us this answer here. 3.29 times 10 to the fourth. I do have a positive exponent, so I am going to move my decimal 4 places to the right. So 3.29 is here. So you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4. Your new decimal point is going to be here. And I'm going to fill in these spaces here with zeros. So your final answer here is going to be 32,900. 8.7 times 10 to the -7 power. So I'm going to take my 8.7 and I am going to move my decimal point 7 places to the left because I have a negative exponent. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My new decimal point is going to be here. And I'm going to fill in these spaces here with zeros. So your answer here is going to be 0.00000087. So you have 6 zeros, and this is your final answer here. 2.15 times 10 to the fourth power. Because I have a positive exponent, I am going to move my decimal point 4 places to the right. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. New decimal point is here. And I'm going to fill in these spaces here with zeros. So your answer here is going to be 21,500. 6.7 times 10 to the third power. Positive exponent, I'm going to move my decimal to the right. If I move my decimal to the right, we're going to get 1, 2, 3. My new decimal point is going to be here. And then I'm going to fill in these spaces here with 0. So your final answer here is going to be 6,700. 1.215 times 10 to the -3rd power. Because I have a negative exponent, I'm going to move my decimal 3 places to the left. So 1.215, if I move my decimal, we're going to get 1, 2, 3. My new decimal point is here. And then we're going to fill in our zeros. So you have 0.001215. And this is your final answer here. 9.88 times 10 to the -4th power. Negative exponent, move to the left. So we have 9.88. So I'm going to move my decimal 4 places to the left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. My new decimal point is going to be here. And I'm going to fill in my zeros here. So we have 0.0000 0.000988. And this is your final answer here. 1.1 times 10 to the 8th power. Because I have a positive exponent, we are going to move our decimal 8 places to the right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. New decimal is going to be here. And I'm going to fill in these spaces here with the zeros. So your final answer here is going to be 110 million. 4.112 times 10 to the 2nd power. Positive exponent, move my decimal 2 places to the right. So 4.112, that's going to be 1, 2. It's going to put me right here in between my 1 and 2. So your final answer here is going to be 411.2. Let's look at 6.453 times 10 to the negative 1 power. Because I have a negative exponent, that means I do need to move my decimal 1 place to the left. If I move my decimal 1 place to the left, that's going to put me right here. So our answer is going to be 0.6453. All right, so that is all for today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.